Hey, what's up guys? Tim from Fili Creative here with another Fili gaming video. I am Humblebaggins.
I am Vixen. I'm Amber.
And I am Sneaky Hobbitses.
AKA named Gus. We're going to play some Risk of Rain for you today. We've played a little bit before, and we're just going to try and see how long we can last. We've actually decided this time to all play the Rangers. That is what we, at least Amber and myself, that typically is what we prefer to play as. At least I know I do.
And this is Gus's first time as a ranger, so if this
right.
goes poorly, that's why. That's why. You remember that.
So
why.
good luck telling us apart.
Exactly. I had considered doing something I had never played as. I just gained the engineer, and there was the multi, which I think already had, but never really played. But we're going to go ahead and play this and see as long as we can last.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
So this guy, Gus, has auto target pretty much. So if you just kind of
sweet.
Right. If you just
Yeah,
kind
it's one
of
of the
put
nice
whatever
things about
you want to shoot in the middle of your screen and just pull the trigger, it'll happen.
Whoa. I can fly up in the air now?
Yeah, it's one of your abilities that makes the. That's one of the things, like you can release arrows down. Found the portal.
That was fast.
That was super fast. I need $1 more.
Ooh, I got fresh meat.
$1 more.
Here, this will get you $1 more. We definitely need to stock up on stuff.
Yep.
I need 3 more coins.
I've got one thing already.
Gosh dang it, guys.
Ooh, I just got the war banner. Heck
nice.
yeah.
That's a good one.
Oh, man.
Nice, okay.
I apparently just found, like, all the enemies. Oh, heck yeah. It's the,
Old stealth kit.
Bustling Fungus.
Nice, nice.
Also my stage name.
A bustling fungus.
Oh, no, just Bustling Fungus. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Bustling Fungus!
I feel like that's a pretty good stage name. Because, like, if you really think about it, like, fungus, I feel like they're always bustling. Like, that's all they do. Okay, I am ready whenever you guys are.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it.
Okay.
The beetle queen.
Ooh, big bug guy.
Mother.
Oh, it's 2 of them.
Yep. Yeah, because you prayed to the mountain.
Oh, right.
Makes the boss harder, but you get more rewards for it.
Ooh, I didn't know that.
I just assumed it would beef up 1, not bring 2, but...
Oh no, it doubles it. It'll double the boss. Whatever, if it's like 2 or 3 of like the magma worms, then it'll make it like 6 of them.
Oh, good grief.
Yeah.
That's terrifying.
Yeah. So only pray to the mountain if you're for sure you're gonna beat it.
Gotcha. Well, I mean, for the first round, it's a
Oh yeah, it's a pretty safe bet that we'll beat it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're done. Good God, there's so many many enemies right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Your L2 is your best friend.
Yep, that's what
How
I've been
long
doing.
does it take to respawn?
It shows you down below. It'll have a counter.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I am hurting. Oh Lord. What does that do?
It's dead.
Yay! Now we just have to charge up the portal.
It's ready.
Okay. Good lord.
Very nice. Good start.
Yay. Are we in hard now?
All down
Oh no, we're even.
from
Not
here.
even. We just made it to medium.
Ah!
Yep.
It just spawned me next to an enemy. That's oh!
At like $7.
Yep.
Yep.
Too much.
$12 over here.
Oh.
Ooh.
I've got one of the goat legs and 2 energy drinks. I run so fast.
I've got one of the goat legs also. What is the Shrine of Combat?
Gotta go so fast.
I prayed to the Shrine of Combat. I think it answered my prayer with a mana.
Nice.
I've never seen this kind of enemy before.
Yeah, the
Well,
Shrine
technically I have. It technically looks like my friend, but it's just like blue and tougher to beat.
The Shrine of Combat will just spawn like a pretty like high level enemy, and then you can beat that enemy, and it'll like reward you with a lot of money. It does
Aha!
not
Found it.
Take too kindly to that.
I found the portal.
Good.
I'm just gonna stay over here for now
Okay.
until y'all are ready.
Pull the lever.
Okay. Done. Oh, big pop.
Play Dune Strider. Yep. Hey, I made it. Is there only one of them?
Yep, that I can tell.
Good. Not too shabby. Oh boy, don't get sucked into that.
Oh, brother.
Use your L1, Gus, to dash away.
Yep. Or like me and dash right into him.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
I've done
I
it
like
before.
dashed through him.
Yeah. If there's no chests left, then that's all she wrote. The money you
So
have left
sad.
over, the money you have left over though is converted to leveling you up though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Oh man, I hate this area.
Oh, this is one of my
Hello.
favorite maps.
Haha!
Nice.
You stole my thing!
I stole
There
it
you-
from you!
Where did all the enemies go?
Mm-hmm.
Where
Oh,
have
and I fell.
all the enemies gone?
I fell.
Long time passing.
There's
There's a
one.
lovely reverb on what you're singing.
Say what?
There is some lovely reverb on what you're singing in my headset.
Where have all the enemies gone? Oh, good.
That's awesome.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, don't you even dare.
I thought you
Yeah.
were saying don't shoot. Don't shoot!
We.
Oh, and I died again. Darn it.
Yes, you shall die by my hand. Aha!
Did you find it?
Yep. All right, I'm ready to start whenever you guys are.
Alright.
We are nearing the end of hard mode, by the way, so we need to
Yeah, let's just
get
hit
this
it.
portal going. Okay.
God,
I'm
this is
actually gonna go
terrible.
back up top
Yeah, that's probably smart.
if I can. I don't know if I can. Oh wait, yes I
Oh,
can.
not that direction. We're not.
Oh!
I'm assuming the boss.
I
is up
found the
there
big
then?
bad. Yes, it is.
The imp overlord.
It's one of the
Oh
gig-
god dang it! That guy's terrible.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
How'd you get back up there?
Oh! I used my dash.
Oh, that's a good idea. You're right. Oh, well, crap. I just used it and I got stuck
Oh,
on
he's
the wall.
gonna freaking kill me. Oh god, he's
Well,
gonna kill
run
me.
away.
I gotta
Run
run.
away.
I gotta run. I gotta run.
I can't use my dash to get up there. Either that or I'm just kind of dumb.
You have to aim up high to do it.
Whoa.
I just keep running
Like-
into the wall.
Ah! Where is
You, you've gotta look upwards and do it.
I did.
Do it higher.
Yeah, that's just, it just keeps dashing me straight forward into the wall no matter where I look.
I think you need to look higher then and try and like get right up next to it.
I'm looking straight up. I can't look higher.
Don't know what to tell you. That's the only way I found that ever works for me, is to do that.
I think you have to be traveling in that direction, maybe. Oh, you do. Okay.
Not a fan of this guy.
I'm not either. He is just no good. No fun.
That's why I wanted to get
Running,
this
running,
going.
running. No, why can't I run?
Right, because you're too hurt. Oh, well, maybe not.
Oh, good. My buddy's finally here. About damn time.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
We're,
Oh, no.
we're
Damn it,
slowly getting him.
Every time I go to use my arrows, he freaking faces
Oh, I'm
out of
underneath
distance.
him. Oh, goodness. Oh.
Did not die.
I'm okay. I'm actually doing just fine. When he moves, he usually is like right next to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gone.
Whoa, that's new.
Pull the lever.
Oh man, having this this health field every time I stop that saved me so hard.
Yes. Me too, on the regular.
Ooh, I don't think I've ever been to this area.
I do not like how it's all crooked.
I love that I want to point out that it's called the Siren's Call, and that police siren just flew by.
Yeah, that's
I can hear it.
interesting. Well, it's
Oh god, it's seen me. It's seen me.
Oh gosh, guys.
I'm over here fighting nobodies.
We should definitely.
I'm fighting the big giant eye in the sky.
So am I. I see that.
Oh, I see what's going on now.
Yeah!
Good job, you guys. I have no credit for that. That was all you.
Alright, let's find the portal.
Oh,
I see the
God.
fireflies.
I fell
see the portal.
Fell into the depths of hell. We're all here. Hit.
Alright,
Pull the lever.
it's just been pulled.
And then as soon as we beat this, we can go up and buy
Oh,
a bunch
big
of
old
stuff.
jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Ooh, yikes.
I don't see the second one. Oh! Now I see it. I'm starting to sound like Gene Belcher. Oh! I love Gene so much. Like that show is I'll admit, like when I first saw Bob's Burgers, I did not like it. I think just like the first episode threw me off for whatever reason. But that has become like one of my favorite shows. I have rewatched it at least a couple of times. The good news is at least one of them is almost dead.
Yep. I feel like we've all been focusing on that one.
Yeah.
Fuck yourself.
He's dead.
I found
Yeah!
I found a little Healy tree over here, and I can stand underneath it and still have
Ooh, that's
range on
pretty
everything.
nifty.
So I like am healing
Yeah. Oh,
myself
crap.
as I'm shooting things. And
Yeah,
I have
I'm
a little
appreciative
double
of that.
damage. I have a little double
Yay!
damage thing set up too. So
Where is your Healy tree? Wow, somebody's like
that's always with me.
sparky.
that's me. I'm not exactly sure what made me that way, but I am.
That's a great
You're a mutant.
Yeah, that's a great superhero like origin story right there.
My name is Sparky.
You're Electro Man. Such a lame hero's name.
Yeah,
I
I
think so.
guess. I wish I had more money because there are tons of chests and
I
stuff
know,
over here.
and there's
still.
some really expensive
Yeah.
ones.
I don't think I've ever made it this far with this much equipment.
Really?
No, so I don't think I've made it that far.
I've made it to the ha 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 where it's just like scrolling and there aren't any more harder levels.
I like that. That's funny.
Yep, because after impossible is I see you, and then after that it gets to like it's something like I'm coming for you maybe, and then
Oh,
after
really?
that it's like ha 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 ha. It's just like maniacal laughter that just like scrolls by until you die.
I may or may not have practiced my maniacal laughter too much. There's a robot on top of a shrine.
Oh boy.
Alright, I found a portal. Shall I
La Portela?
shall I start it? I'm just gonna go ahead and start
Have
it.
it order. Okay.
Oh crap.
Beetle Queen.
I'm not sure. Alright, Queenie. Feel free to feel my wrath.
Oh, invisible giant thing.
What? What do you
Oh,
mean?
nothing. No worry. No worry. It's not that giant. It's giant by
Oh,
mile.
there's two of them. Oh man, so much happening right now.
I know.
Oh god, my game paused for like a microsecond.
I know what you mean. There's just so much stuff going on. Like, I'm just like a little lightning bolt, and like,
Yeah. This is what I was talking about, the, as one gamer put it, diarrhea Christmas lights.
Christmas lights.
that is pretty much what's happening right here. You're right.
Yeah, pretty much exactly right. Oh god!
Whoa, that was crazy.
I just lost half my health. Oh! Oh, no! No, not again. Okay.
Alright.
Oh,
It, like,
God.
phased me through the bottom of the map for a second.
The first one's
Did
dead.
you live?
Now it's time for the second one.
Yes, thankfully.
Good.
Because the last time that happened, it killed us. Oh, God, there are so many enemies right now.
Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no.
No, no, no,
Okay.
no, 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 no. Oh, boy.
Running,
Still alive?
running.
I'm still alive!
I'm still alive, too. All right, Beetle
I am
Queen.
too.
Ooh, multi-kill.
Oops, sorry.
Stand inside
Don't
this.
you freaking dare.
What are those?
What are
I
those?
like how
It's
that
like a
Beetle Queen
wasp
is like
thing.
stuck. She's like.
Yeah, I've seen those. Alright, let me come back around to help this kill off this
Oh,
queen.
God. Oh,
You
God.
shall not live past this.
Oh yeah, she's about dead.
So am
So
I.
almost dead.
Yay! It's
Ayo.
done.
Yeah!
Nailed it. Holy moly.
98.
Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Ready, ready, going now.
Pull the lever.
Woo!
Wow. Dear God.
Oh, we're into the ICU territory.
Yep.
Oh man,
Yep. We just gotta hold on a little bit.
I've
longer.
never made it this far. Oh, I see the
I'm
it's coming for you now.
Yep.
I see it. All right, I'm gonna search for the portal.
Wait, did we just skip ICU?
Pretty much. I don't.
Oh, we did. Oh my gosh, I've never seen it do that before. That's new. Oh, I don't even know what that guy is. Oh, that's the turrets. Nope, not messing with that.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what? There's another one.
I found the portal, by the way.
Did you? Okay,
Yes.
sweet. All right.
You ready?
Oh,
Yep.
just fell into the boiling pit of
Start
despair.
it.
There you go.
Pits of despair.
Celestine
Didn't
Lemurian?
Where? I didn't even
What
see the
is
guy.
this?
Where?
Is that
What?
Oh,
little
wait,
dude?
that's not the big dude.
Oh no,
I have no idea what we're fighting right now.
I don't either.
I don't
even see
either,
it.
but we're apparently dealing him damage.
It makes no
Celestine
sense.
Lemurian.
Maybe it's just a little guy who looks normal. Or is he invisible?
I don't know. Maybe it's whatever's in these. It's got to be something that's within these, like. Oh God!
I
Green
keep getting
bubbles
like
that just
massive
won't die.
damage,
Yeah.
but I can't.
Oh,
see
there
it.
was an invisible guy. I'm
I
just
keep-
gonna keep doing stuff until. I
Oh
can-
yeah, I see it up there. No, I don't. That's a lie. I don't see it.
Okay,
These
okay,
guys
okay.
in the green bubbles that are making green bubbles, are they like healing themselves? What's happening?
I don't know.
I can't tell what's going on.
Yeah, there's like
This is very much Diary Christmas Lights.
diarrhea Christmas lights. Diarrhea Christmas lights.
Oh
Yeah,
God!
how
I
are-
don't even know what's happening.
I don't
I don't even
know.
know what's happening.
Did you die? Are you? But
No,
did you
I just
die?
don't know what's happening.
It's insane.
Nope, I'm still alive.
Ah,
I'm trying to kill these
I
guys,
just don't know
and I
what's
just
happening.
can't.
Ah.
Like they keep healing themselves. I think I don't know what's going on.
I mean, he's still going down at least, thankfully.
What? Who?
Oh God,
what,
we're getting into a
who
ha ha
are we
ha ha ha
supposed to be
territory.
fighting?
Oh God!
I still can't tell.
I don't know. I'm just
I have
shooting
absolutely no
anybody
idea. I
can-
can't see anything.
I can see.
Yeah, basically. I'm just trying to heal myself at this point. We're almost down to half health though, so that's good.
Yeah, for whatever we're fighting, I suppose. You guys,
I have absolutely no idea. I can't see anything.
You guys brought the fight to me, and I don't appreciate it. I'm gonna have to ask you to go away.
Oh, I died.
You got me killed.
I died too.
Well,
Am I the only one left?
Yep.
save us
Best
all,
of
Tim.
luck.
No!
Save us all, Tim.
Oh, do not force it.
If it makes you feel good, he's still losing health somehow, and I'm not exactly sure how.
That's good. I have absolutely no idea how. Running away. Running away. Oh God.
Run, Tim, run! Run, Tim, run!
Yikes, that was terrifying. You like froze for a second.
Really?
Oh, but he just gained health back somehow, so you should probably continue.
Crap
killing
sticks.
him.
Yeah, it's just following me wherever it's going.
Yes, it will.
Ow! Leave me alone! All of my hate to you and your kind.
I don't know what you're attacking still, but
I have absolutely no
Hitting
idea.
something.
It's still clearly doing damage.
I'm just unsure of
Ah!
where it is.
I phased into the.
Yeah.
I did into the area. It's not good. Oh, hey, money.
Oh, hey, money. That's exactly where our priorities should be.
Agreed. The driver.
Smash
of all-
triangle. What does triangle do? Hit triangle once.
I already did. It basically, it's a health thing for me.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
I'm trying to do it every time I get a chance. Running away.
Good idea. Wow.
Oh, do not forsake me.
I'm still unsure of what's going on.
I have absolutely no
Run,
idea.
run.
Ah!
I hate.
Wait, is it that big guy?
No.
I have absolutely no idea. There's something there that I can see. That, well, there's a health bar there.
Right.
He's not.
Ah!
Everyone technically has a health bar.
Oh no.
He's still going down.
57.
Good.
Ow! I will.
56,000. 57.
Oh.
What? Ah!
Oh.
Dang it!
Dead.
I was so okay. I wasn't close, but I was doing good.
You were.
though.
You were.
Oh, I was holding my own.
Yeesh.
Oh man! All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in, watching us play Risk of Rain. That was freaking crazy. Man, I have never made it that far before in my life. I'm pretty sure we were about into the ha 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 territory.
We were. That was some crazy
If you guys
stuff.
like, if you guys want to watch more of this, please like and subscribe, and go ahead and hit the little bell notification bar if you want to see more. Tune in next time for some more Fili Gaming. For Fili Creative, I'm Tim.
I'm
I'm
Gus.
Amber.
All right, see you guys later.
See
Bye.
ya.
Bye bye.